is another chilly day in Eagle River, so we decided that today we are going to take a trip into town to check out this large art and craft festival show thing. What they're going to do is block off the streets in the downtown area, and there's going to be a bunch of different vendors. So that's going to be a nice, fun, kind of, you know, more chilly day activity. First, we got to go have some booyah.
I want to take a picture.
I'm sure you do.
I want to.
Booyah is a hearty stew of meat and vegetables. Chain of Lakes Campground prepares it every Labor Day weekend for $3 a bowl. So delicious.
Sir, great work.
Great job, thank you. Awesome. I love it. Man. After Booyah, we headed to downtown Eagle River. The city holds several of these art and craft shows every year, including Artorama, Cranberry Fest, Paul Bunyan Fest, and the Labor Day Arts and Crafts Show. Different vendors of food, art, and crafts gather to sell their wares. What'd you get?
Rings. Green.
You're warm.
Yeah, in the sun.
Flamingo apron. You love flamingo.
I do. I already have aprons though. Well, that's cool. They put a bunch of amethysts and gold in there. Did you find Gorin?
No. I didn't look.
Nope.
I didn't even find a Harrison.
There's Gage.
Where's Jamie Fair?
Hennifer. Those nuts definitely smell very good.
Sausage fest.
This lady here from Rockford,
Where?
the dip lady right here.
Oh, the dip
I
lady?
used to work on her car, and then they moved to the east side. And she said she's coming back though.
Eagle River has a lot to offer. It's known for some of the best snowmobiling in northern Wisconsin. But in the summer, the chain of lakes is a great respite from the summer heat, though it rarely gets above 85 degrees. From craft festivals to food to boating to snowmobiling, Eagle River has something for everyone. We love it because it's not very crowded here, even in the summer. It's far enough away from... what? Maybe like...
We love it here.
You do. I am smiling. So much. It's far enough away from Chicago that it's not going to attract the kind of crowds that you see in lakes that are closer to the Illinois and Wisconsin border. Also, my dad and stepmom have been coming here for like 2 decades, so this place is kind of a second home for us. That's cold. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.
God. Say it. God.
Got it. It's a wrap.
'Tis a wrap.